Hello guys, and today I would like to tell you about a law book, because if you will become a commercial truck driver, you will need to fill out a law book, and it's very important. All I want to tell you guys is to drive by the law. I will tell you why. If you guys, let's say, in a lot of companies, your manager or your boss or your dispatcher will tell you run, drive. You need to be there. If you're gonna be late, we're gonna charge you. We're gonna, fire you. They can find a lot of excuses. But guys, here is something that you need to know. If something happens, like if you pass your 11-hour driving and something happens, it's not supposed to be your fault, even if it's not your fault. Let's say somebody cut you off and they hit your truck and they die in their car. You're going to prison probably for the rest of your life. You will tell me why. Well, I tell you why. Because by the law, you're only supposed to be on the road 11 hours. And if you're on the road more than 11 hours, then you are responsible for anything happens on the road. Even if, guys, even if somebody will hit you and make an accident, you are responsible. Your company, your boss, your dispatcher, they're gonna tell you, man, you're a professional driver, you should know what you're doing. That's why I'm telling you, if you're going against the law book, guys, you're risking your life, you're risking your family, and you're risking to be in prison for the rest of your life, and guys, please not do it. I mean, I know maybe it's gonna be hard because you might get fired and stuff like that, but trust me, you can find a company that will pay you good money and you will drive by law rather than driving for a company who will always push you. But then what's gonna happen when you're gonna get in trouble and you're gonna get a like 25,000 fine. Because yeah, that's another thing about fines. It's a commercial license, and it's a fines. It's not gonna be like $200. It's gonna be in thousands. And I know guys who were paying like $20,000. Let's say if again in the law book, if you lie for the police officer and he will give you a ticket, it's about anywhere from like $2,000 to $5,000 fine for that, just for this violation, for lying for the police officer. So guys, don't play around with law book, because you don't make that kind of money that you can just be in prison for the rest of your life and don't care about nothing. Guys, drive by law. You will make plenty of money if you will drive by the law. And if your dispatcher pushing you, tell them that you cannot do it, because that's your family, that's the law. And it's just, guys, this is just my advice to you, because when you will face the consequences, you will cry, but you will not change anything, because I mean, a lot of people will use it to their advantage, and cops, even if it's not gonna be your fault, you will still be responsible for it, guys. So just be very careful with law books, and please drive safe on the road, and make sure everything is in good condition there. Okay, guys. Please drive safe, and God bless you guys. Bye bye.